Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today is my very late ranking video. So these are all the palettes. I've not sorted them out yet in the way I'm ranking them, but that's what they look like. So let's get to this. Let's take them all out. This is going to be really hard. Okay guys, so we've got 10 palettes to talk about. You might be surprised what's in position 10, but I used so many standout palettes. So in position 10 is the Huda Beauty Chocolate Brown, and just because it's in position 10 doesn't mean I'm going to declutter it. I really did enjoy using it. So that's what that one looks like. It's really pretty. I got this for my birthday in February. So I got that for my birthday in February off my mum, and yeah, it will definitely be staying around the collection. Feel like it's very versatile, unique to my collection as well. So that's in 10th place. In 9th place, however, I didn't feel like I was going to like this at all. So it's the Morphe 9P Party Pinks palette, and I created some lovely looks with this. The only thing I would say is very powdery. I feel like you're going to be able to see just how powdery it is if I bring it close to the camera. Yeah, it's very powdery, but it doesn't look powdery on the eyelids. So that's in position 9, and I'll be keeping this one as well. Because I don't really have shades like that. I don't really have many pinks in my collection. So that's 9th place. Position 8 was another shocker for me. I used this for a live, and it's the Juvia's Place, the Violets. And I really enjoyed using it, and I got a lot of compliments from you guys saying I really do suit purples. With my skin tone, I've never thought that I suited purples, so I really enjoyed using it. So that's position 8. By the way guys, if I can get photos of Instagram that I've placed on there, I will put them in the video so you can see the looks. Position 7. I would say that's wrong actually. Position 7 I would say is this one, and just because it's in position 7 doesn't mean it's not a good palette. It just means I've not had that much time with it. I want to keep this one really for around the Christmas holiday period. I wanted to use it though because my friend Karen asked me what I thought of the formula and asked me if I would use it. I did 2 looks with it I think, so I don't think I filmed them though, because I wasn't feeling very well, but I put makeup on and I did a rosy look, so I used Holly Jolly Reindeer, Truth or Dear and Glowing Red Nose, and then I put Take the Reins, no, then I put Santa's Helper all over the lid, and that looked really pretty. And I used Reindeer Babe, Blitz and Glam in the inner corners, Guide My Sleigh and Dash Away as well, to get that mustard look, and it looked really pretty. So I can't wait to use this in the holiday season. So that's why it's come so low down, just because I've not got a feel for it really. And I didn't really want to do all these different looks on camera with it, because I want to use it when the holidays are here. So yeah, that one is in 7th place. In 6th place, I didn't think I'd love this as much as I do. I absolutely adore it. So we've got the P. Louise Going Solo. It's absolutely gorgeous. And standout shades for me is this one here. So it's called Replaceable, and I mean, look at it. Look how metallic it is, guys. That's just one swatch. And I really do like the darker greys in this palette as well, which I didn't think I was going to like. It's absolutely stunning. So that's 6th place. So we're in top 5 now. So in 5th place is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise. It's so versatile. I absolutely loved using this, and it was on the chopping block. There's no way I can get rid of this. It's just so beautiful. I love the duochromes in here. We've got Paraiso, we've got Disco, and then we've just got a whole range of colours that you could either use as a pop of colour, or you could use it all over the lid. And then you've got a lot of neutrals in here, so yeah, it's a really versatile palette. And this shade here, Rise and Shine, is absolutely stunning. Let me show you that. It's like a gold mustard, that one there. Right, 4th place. You might be surprised at how low down it's come, but when you think about it, it's just a neutral palette. So 4th place is a new palette in my collection. We've got the Pat McGrath Sublime Seduction, and I do really like it, honestly I do, guys. But I've been using kind of more versatile palettes, and in my opinion more higher quality palettes than this. But I do absolutely love this palette. It's absolutely stunning. I did get a reaction from it. You will see that before you'll see this video. I got a reaction from it, but I don't know if it was the primer I was using or this. I've not had another reaction since using it, so I don't know if it's the formula of the eyeshadows. It just reminds me of a video that I watched by Samantha March, and she can't actually wear Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadows because they give her some kind of crazy reaction, and it felt like it was literally burning my eyes. I think it was this one that did it. So what's that? Bronze Fantasy. Yeah, because it feels like it's got glitter in it. It feels like rough to the texture, but then it's really smooth. So that's 5th place. No, it can't be. So, sorry, that's 4th place. You're going to be surprised what's in 3rd place, because I absolutely love this palette. You'd probably think it would be my number 1. But in 3rd place is the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. And that's what mine looks like. Illusion shade here is absolutely stunning. I love this palette. There's not a dud shade in it for me, but again, I was using other palettes that kind of blew my socks away. So that's in 3rd place. In 2nd place, again, I feel like you're going to be shocked at this because I've been bitching about it a lot, especially last year. If you was watching my channel last year, I was like, oh, I don't really like it, and I put it on the chopping block. So it's the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles, and this has come in at 2nd place this time around because I feel like I've really gotten to know it, and I used it quite a bit. So that's what it looks like, and yeah, I really do like it. I mean, some of the eyeshadows aren't as pigmented as others, but overall I really enjoyed using it. Can you guess what my first is? If you've watched most of the tutorials from the last month, what's missing from this pile? So in 1st place is Cosmic Brushes The Muse palette. Oh, it is so beautiful, guys. This is what it looks like. That's a close-up of the winner. I absolutely loved this palette, using it so much. Standout shades for me was Luster, that's like a white to pink duochrome. Then we've got Ambient here, that gave me a really nice grungy look. Cosmic Brushes commented on how I suited a good old grungy look on Instagram, so that's that one. Then Muse, this one I loved using that. Antique, loved using that. And I did a really nice grungy green look. I used Water Lily, Willow. I used Inspire all over the lid, which I absolutely loved. And yeah, I just think this palette is worth £20. Is it 18 or 20? It's around, whatever it is, it's around that mark. And my mum actually got, I think, 10% off when she bought it for me. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. They brought out a new one, and it looks like a pastel leaning palette. I'm definitely going to be getting that when it releases. I think it releases at the end of this month, around the 22nd or 23rd of June. So that's definitely on my wish list. I mean, the duochromes in that palette look immense. So how can I not, right? And then I'll have all 4 palettes that they've released this far. So that is the winner, guys. Did you guess it? Let me know in the comments down below. I really love these kind of ranking videos. Let me know if you do ranking videos on your channel as well, and I've not checked them out, because like I said, I just love binge watching them. I love binge watching Shop My Stash videos and ranking videos. So yeah, let me know if you do any of those type of content, and I'll for sure go and check your channel out if I haven't already. So do you have any of these palettes in your collection? If you do, let me know what you think of them. Please like, it really does help get my small channel out there. Share and comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.